I am doing my art project and need a circle right in the middle, divided into 24 equal parts. It's easy and quick to do. First, I put a dot in the middle of each corner and draw the diagonal lines. Then I put a dot in the middle of each side and draw horizontal and vertical lines. Now I draw a random sized circle. Using the same size, I make a couple of marks left and right from each intersection. After that, I like to go over it and make a solid dot of each intersection. Now I connect all the dots and make sure that they all go through the center. And finally, all is done. I'm ready for my art project. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe.